Yeah, listen. They call me Mr. Divine.
Sleeping through the day,
Yeah.
wake up with champagne, brought me an A. I told
No,
my
I had to
mother
cover
I
this
would
song.
quit. What can I say? I'm still breathing,
kinda underrated if
falling
you
in
ask me.
love every evening.
Let's go.
So we just gonna stay teenage dreamers on this way. I told my mother I grow up. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Guru here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the JIT on GTA Online first try 100% of the time without getting blown up by the JIT. Anyway, you go to this first JIT here, and it only works for this JIT. You've got to try to be as fast as possible while doing this, by the way guys. From entering the base to getting the JIT, you've got to try to be as fast as possible. So anyway, you grab this JIT, and trying to stay as low as possible, take off and go left and go straight into the ocean like I'm doing here. And if you do this, you should be able to get the JIT every time without being blown up. And I'll look back in the sec to show you guys that I'm not being followed by a JIT. See you guys, there you go, that's how you get the JIT every time on GTA Online. Peace.
And now I'm 20 and I hear people checking for me. And I'ma make 20 mil before I turn 23. And no, I haven't signed a deal, I'm investing in me. And though it's taking kinda long, I know it's destined to be. And with the honesty, you need to acknowledge me, cause I'm smarter than I love these wannabe prodigies, I go harder than. And this whole industry's been a tease, I'm no part in that. All I need is a simple beat and a garden hat. Cause the green I see growing from my delivery will have me talking to banks like it's Carlton and Hillary. Wanted to be real until I realized that I am legend. And for the doors to success, I have been the key. Anyone can tell me stop, but will I do it? Not unless my brain stops and doctors tell me that I'm stupid. So admire my entire, but most important, my fluid. Cause the lines that I'm spitting got listeners trying to do it, dude.
Sleeping through the day, wake up with champagne, roll me an A. I told my
That choice
mother I
right
would
here.
quit.